Hell yeah. I think this thing's working. I got no idea, and I also don't know what I'm filming, but that's fine. Yeah, so what's good? Uh yeah. This is so funny. Um, yeah, well, we're on the car. Um, Currently just working on getting all of these little bits and pieces sorted out, and I'm trying to fit the piece that I made. Where is it? Trying to fit it in. Here it is. Yeah. So I've just got a little bit of trimming to do on this. Gonna put the camera down and put it somewhere else. And yeah, I'll show you what I'm up to. There we go. I'll put you up there. I got no idea if anyone can see what I'm actually doing, but that's fine. We're gonna work with it. All right. Basically, to make this fit, I just got to trim that off. Trim a little bit off of here, and then we're gonna try and fit it again. Not the easiest of cuts I've ever done. I'll plug the grinder in. Right, that should go in now. Stick that there. That's pretty good. That is pretty good. Not perfect. Not perfect, but we are getting there. This camera keeps trying to fall out of the tripod. That's what happens when you don't have the right mounts and stuff for it. So yeah, as you can see, probably, maybe, I don't know. Down here, I just got to trim a little bit out of that. Most of the rest of it fits okay. I'll probably take a little bit out of there too. That there, I'll just clamp back. But yeah, I'm trying to get all of this as tight as I possibly can in terms of fit up. Got to tweak this corner here a little bit, but I'll probably do that once the rest of it's welded in, because I can do that with a hammer and dolly. Yeah. So far, so good. Yeah. I'm gonna put the camera back over there, and then I'll keep chipping away. This is really funny, but it's also quite fun having someone to talk to. I say someone like there's actually a person there, but there's not. It's just a camera, obviously. Get metal scissors out. They can just live up there for the moment. That's the template. That can go over there somewhere. Not perfect, but I'll definitely do. There we go, that's a bit better. That's right. Bruh. Yep, there you go. That one's in the bin. Nice. Nice. Well, we love scrapping parts. Oh, you know what? I might just weld it up. Fuck it, I'll just weld it up. I can't be bothered making a new piece. We'll just hammer it flat. Hammer it back up. Can't quite tell, but yeah, cooked it. Yeah, something like that. So yeah, cooked that, but anyway, onwards and upwards, or something like that. Can you see? Yep, there we go. That's probably it. Now this piece here goes in there. And I probably will still need to tweak that a little bit more actually.